So let's draw the free body diagram of the shell. So we have this incline with an angle theta. We have this hollow spherical shell. Here we have a force of friction. Going down would be the linear acceleration of the center of mass. From the center, going straight down is the force due to gravity, mg, and then perpendicular to the surface of the incline is the normal force. And we know that the angular acceleration here is going to be, in this case, counterclockwise. So we know that this is, again, a hollow spherical shell, which means that the moment of inertia is going to be equal to 2/3 mr squared.